Welcome to Alley in the Valley. I'm Allison Ball Kilmer. Alley in the Valley is a lifestyle blog about healthy, delicious food, all while staying on a budget. Homegrown cooking, down-to-earth living. Hey everyone, welcome back to Alley in the Valley. It is St. Patrick's Day, or it's coming soon. And I am gonna make my husband, who is half Irish, corned beef and cabbage. You can't get more Irish than corned beef and cabbage, except for a Guinness beer. Now, you could do whiskey or something like that, but it's in the middle of the day and I'm trying to make a cute dinner for him, you know, to celebrate the Irish side of his family and my children. So corned beef and cabbage it is. First, I'm gonna do a Guinness beer because Guinness beer is, oh, look how dark it is. And I'm not really a beer drinker, but guess what? For one day, we'll try it, okay? Cool, so let's get started. Happy St. Patrick's Day. And I'm not a big beer drinker or a dark beer drinker, but hell, why not just for the day? It's actually pretty good. I hope I don't get too tipsy. Okay, corned beef. Corned beef, where did I get it from? You know where I got it from. I got it from Trader Joe's. This piece was about $25, and it's really, really simple to make. So I've made it a couple times, not a lot, but you just sit it in the pot with all the juices, and you're gonna pour water and some seasoning on it, and it's gonna cook down for like 2 hours. Then after it kind of cooks down about an hour and a half into it, I'll cut the cabbage, potatoes and carrots and garlic and put those on top and steam it down too, and then we'll have our corned beef and cabbage. Now, I'm gonna add some bay leaves. These are bay leaves I grew myself, believe it or not. I have a bay leaf tree. Some salt and pepper. Some mustard seasoning, some thyme. Now I'm gonna pour water to cover the whole breast, corned beef breast. Then I'm gonna add a Guinness beer to it. This goes on the stove for like an hour and a half, really 2 hours total. But until I put the vegetables on. All right, so let's get it cracking. I have my cabbage on the stove. It's been cooking for almost like an hour and a half. I'm just gonna put some carrots and potatoes in it, so now that they can cook too, because I didn't put them in the beginning because it would be overcooked, and you don't want them overcooked. And I'm doing chunky versions because they're supposed to be rustic and chunky and yummy. I'll let them cook about 15-20 minutes, and then I'll cut the cabbage and the onion because they don't need as long to cook. So it's stages. You want the corned beef cooked that is falling off the bones. Then you add your carrots and your potatoes because they take a little longer to cook, like 20-30 minutes. Then you put the cabbage and onions in because it doesn't take as long. Okay, I'm gonna add onions now, just on top of the brisk. Go. And then I'm gonna put the cabbage on top in wedges. Cabbage wedges. Turn it back up on high. And then I'll simmer it again for about 15-20 minutes, and then it should be done. Let me have a Guinness. So you know when I started I had beer, but I actually put the beer in my corned beef and cabbage instead of vegetable stock and water. I put water and beer. So after this hard work of cooking, I deserve a Guinness. Shoot, my kids are a quarter Irish. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Let's see how this came out. I'm always up for a new challenge. I've actually made this a couple times. Okay. So let me get the cabbage out. All the juices are down in here with all the other vegetables and the potatoes. So I put carrots and potatoes, and I'm just gonna put that all around. All right, meat. Ah, this meat looks great. Look at that. Well, corned corned beef and cabbage. Can't beat that. This is a once of a year recipe. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Oh, I gotta get my light on that I got from the dollar store. Guinness beer. I'm gonna take a swig. Oh my god, that beer is good. Yuck. Oh, wow. All recipes, you know where to find them. www.alleyinthevalley. Happy St. Patrick's Day.